Hello everybody, welcome you all in this online edu classes for class 8 social science. Here I am Minakshi Pandey with the video for chapter 3 of geography, mineral and power resources. After seeing this video, you will be able to know that what are minerals and what are its type, how minerals are extracted, how the minerals are distributed throughout the world, what are the uses of minerals, how these minerals can be conserved, and what are the power resources and its type. So let us begin with the topic, minerals. A mineral is a naturally occurring substance that has a definite physical property such as color, density, hardness, and chemical properties such as solubility. Rocks from which minerals are extracted are known as ores. There are variety of minerals and ores that we use in our day-to-day life. Let us now know the different types of mineral. Mineral is classified into two groups. They are metallic mineral and non-metallic mineral. Metallic mineral is further divided into two groups. They are known as ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Now let us know about the metallic minerals. The minerals that contains metal in raw form are known as the metallic minerals. They are the good conductors of heat and electricity and have a luster. For example, iron, bauxite, etc. Ferrous minerals. The ferrous minerals contain iron in it, but non-ferrous minerals contain some other metal such as gold, silver, copper, etc. Apart from that, when we talk about non-metallic minerals, so the minerals that do not contain any metal in it are known as the non-metallic mineral. For example, limestone, gypsum, mica, etc. The mineral fuels like petroleum and coal are the non-metallic minerals too. Let us now learn about the extraction of minerals. As minerals are available on earth in different form, so their extraction methods are also different. They are mining, drilling and quarrying. Mining is further divided into two ways, that is open cast mining and shaft mining. Let us now know about them in brief. Open cast mining. When minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken out by removing the surface layer of the earth, this is known as the open cast mining. And when deep bores are made to take out the minerals, which is at a proper, or we can say at a great depth, are known as the shaft mining. Basically, coal is extracted from this shaft mining. Apart from that, when we talk about the petroleum and natural gases, they occur far below the earth's surface. Deep wells are bored to take them out, and when these things are done, that is known as the drilling method. When minerals that lie near the surface of the earth are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. For example, when the sand is extracted for building purpose or for filling purpose. Now, let us know about the distribution of minerals. Minerals occurs in different types of rock. Some are found in igneous rock, some in metamorphic rocks, while other occurs in sedimentary rocks. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks, formation that form large plateaus. Iron ore in North Sweden, copper and nickel deposits in Ontario, Canada. Iron, nickel, chromite and platinum in South Africa are examples of mineral found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rock formations of plains and young fold mountains contain non-metallic minerals like limestone. Apart from that, there are variety of minerals like bauxite, gold, diamond, silver, platinum, tin, zinc, lead, titanium. These are also present on our earth at different places. Now, let us know about the uses of minerals. Minerals have variety of use. Minerals can be used in construction of buildings, bridges and housing settlements. Not only that, the minerals are also used for the development of industries and machineries. The mineral is used for generation of energy, mainly coal, petroleum and natural gases, etc. Minerals are also used for development of defense equipment. They are used in the field of communication like telephone, wires, cables, electronic devices, etc. There are variety of alloys which is made using these minerals, and they serve in various purposes. The minerals are also used for formation of ornaments like jewelry of gold, diamond, silver, etc. Minerals are also used for synthesizing of fertilizers, fungicides, etc. Apart from that, the minerals are equally used in the pharmaceuticals industry as well. Now, let us talk about the conservation of mineral. Minerals are a non-renewable resources. It takes thousands of years for the formation and concentration of minerals. Why conservation is important? Minerals, as it is present on earth in an adequate amount. Their presence is limited. The conservation is very important for future use. If their use is at the same rate, we will run short of these resources in no time, resulting in energy crisis. Their use must be balanced in ecosystem to avoid energy crisis. So there are various methods which is used like 3 R's: reducing, reusing and recycling. So accordingly we need to think of it, and we can conserve the minerals for our future generation. Now let us talk about power resources. Power or energy plays a vital role in our lives. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication and defense as well. Power resources may be broadly categorized as conventional and non-conventional resources. The conventional resources. Now let us know about it. The conventional sources of energy are those which have been in common use for a long time. For example, firewood. It is widely used for cooking, and almost 50% of the energy is used by the villagers comes from firewood. Now, when we talk about coal, coal is also known as the buried sunshine, as it is formed when millions of years ago the giant ferns and swamps got buried under the layer of the earth. Coal is most abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel industry, steam engines, and to generate electricity. The energy that is generated by this coal are known as the thermal power. In India, we have Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad and Bokaro in Jharkhand, where the coal resources are present at a large amount. Now let us talk about petroleum. Petroleum as well known as black gold, as they are very valuable. The petrol is found between the layers of rocks and is drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas. This is then sent to refineries which process the crude oil and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastic and lubricants. Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia and Qatar are the chief producing countries of petroleum. Apart from that, USA, Russia, Venezuela and Algeria are also the huge producers. In India, we have Digboi in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai, and in deltas of Krishna and Godavari regions also the petroleum is available. Now let us talk about the natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Russia, Norway, UK and the Netherlands are the major producers of natural gases. When we talk about hydel power, the rainwater or river water stored in dams is made to fall from heights. The falling water flows through pipes inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity. This is called as hydroelectricity. The leading producers of hydel power in the world are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil and China. Some important hydel power stations in India are Bhakra Nangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjun Sagar Dam and Damodar Valley projects. Now, let us talk about the non-conventional sources of energy. The increasing use of fossil fuel is leading to its shortage. It is estimated that if the present rate of consumption continues, the reserves of these fuel will get exhausted. Moreover, their use also causes environmental pollution. Therefore, there is need for using non-conventional sources such as solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, and these all are renewable resources. Let us talk about the solar energy. Sun's heat and light energy can be felt by us every day. Solar energy trapped from the sun can be used in solar cells to produce electricity. Solar energy is also used in solar heaters, solar cookers, solar dryers, besides being used for community lighting and traffic signals. In this manner, we can say that the solar energy is going to be one of the greatest source of non-conventional resources. Now let us talk about the wind energy. Wind is an inexhaustible source of energy. Windmills have been used for grinding grains and lifting water since times immemorial. Wind farms having clusters of such windmills are located in coastal region and in mountain passes where strong and steady winds blows. Wind farms are found in Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, UK and USA as well. The next one is the nuclear power. When we talk about nuclear power, it is obtained from energy stored in nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive element like uranium and thorium. These fuels undergo nuclear fission in nuclear reactors and emit power. The greatest producer of nuclear power are USA and Europe. And in India, these nuclear centers are located in Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh and Kaiga in Karnataka. Now, let us talk about the geothermal energy. The heat energy obtained from the earth is called as geothermal energy. This heat energy can be used to generate power. Geothermal energy in the form of hot springs had been used for cooking, heating and bathing for several years. USA has the world's largest geothermal power plants, followed by New Zealand, Iceland, Philippines, and Central America. In India, geothermal plants are located in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Puga Valley in Ladakh. Next comes the tidal energy. Energy generated from tides is called tidal energy. This can be harnessed by building dams at narrow openings of the sea. During high tide, the energy of the tide is used to turn the turbine installed in the dam to produce electricity. Russia, France, and the Gulf of Kutch in India have huge tidal farms. Now comes the biogas reserves. Organic waste such as dead plants and animal material, animal dung, and kitchen waste can be converted into a gaseous fuel called biogas. The organic waste is decomposed by bacteria in biogas digesters to emit biogas, which is essentially a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. This is an excellent fuel for cooking and lighting and produce huge amount of organic manure each year. With this, we come to an end of this video. Never forget, energy is everywhere, but we can see that harnessing this energy is both difficult as well as costly. Each one of us can make a difference by not wasting energy. Energy saved is energy generated. Act now and make bright energy future. With this, thank you everyone. Take care.